let's talk tea and coffee. I cannot start my day without my black tea. Maybe you're a coffee drinker, maybe you're a green tea drinker. Any which way, there are low FODMAP serving sizes of all of these beloved hot beverages, even espresso. So here's the thing. Caffeine can be a gut irritant. It's not a FODMAP issue, but it can be a gut irritant. So you have to know your tolerances. But coffee, espresso, black tea, green tea, all of these have low FODMAP serving sizes. We've got plenty of information for you on the website. And I know I can't start my day without my black tea. So you're probably going to be able to start your day off with your beverage of choice. Now, if you like to get your beverage out at, let's say, Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, we actually have a fantastic article that takes you through all the things that you can eat and drink at both of those institutions. Lattes, cappuccinos, they are not off the table. So check that out.